Good morning. My name is Steven, and I'm here today to help you use the Terrastation web browser extension correctly from your PC. You can use Chrome, Edge, Brave, or any browser based on Chrome engine. In the description is the link to properly install the latest version available. Clicking on the link will bring up this page with the need to install the extension. After that, you will see a symbol on the extension bar. In case you don't see it, click on this symbol and then on the eye to make it visible. The first thing to do if you have just installed it is to import the wallet. You can do that by clicking on Import from Seed Phrase if you have the 24 words. After that, enter a name you want, a password, confirm the password and enter the words in lowercase with a space between each one in the field provided. Another option is to import via private key. From the Terrastation mobile app, click on the wallet name in the upper right-hand corner and the wallet symbol. Choose private key and copy all the alphanumeric address that appears. On the extension, click on Import from private key and paste the entire alphanumeric code. Then enter the password you set when you created the wallet. Make sure you are in the extension settings in the classic network to display your tokens correctly. You can then add the ones you need, such as Terra, to display the tokens you own. Important: remember that Terrastation is an interface that takes data from the blockchain and allows you to view it. If the app or extension fails due to some temporary bug, your funds are still safe in the blockchain. After that, we can operate Terraport by connecting our wallet by clicking on Connect to a wallet and then Terrastation. Make sure you are connected to the correct wallet if you have more than one. At this point, you can perform all operations with Terraport. Thank you for following me. I invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date, and I wish you a good day.